Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I will walk you through exactly how to fund your Tradovate account so you can start trading futures without confusion. Let's get started. So first log into your Tradovate account from the web platform or desktop apps. Once you are logged in, go to the application menu and that's the three lines or gear icon and select my accounts. In my account you will see your account details and look for the fund account or deposit buttons. Click it, and Tradovate supports funding through the bank wire transfer and ACH transfers in the USA, and some international clients may have different options. So you have two main ways to deposit: ACH transfer, but best for US bank accounts. No fees, but actually task 1 or 2 business days, and select ACH field in search. Then ACH fill in your bank details and connect your bank and enter the amount you want to deposit, then confirm. And in wire transfer, good for fast funding, often same days if sent early, but may have bank fees. And Tradovate will display the wire instructions. Your bank will need the routing number, account number, and the reference code. And make sure you to include your account number or reference code so the funds gets credited correctly. Confirm and wait. After submitting your deposit, Tradovate will send you a confirmation email. ACH deposit usually clear in 1 to 2 business days, while wires can be a same days if sent before your bank cutoff time. You can check your deposit status anything in the transfer and transaction section. Make sure the bank account name matches your Tradovate account name, otherwise the deposit may be rejected. ACS deposits are free, but your bank might charge for wires. If it's your first deposit, you might need to verify your bank account with micro deposit. And that's it. You have now funded your Tradovate account and you are ready to start trading. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this video helps you to, don't forget to subscribe the channels.